So I switched out the bumper finally. This one is a whole lot better, a whole lot nicer. I bought it off of eBay, but the fitment, it was spot on. It's just got a coat of primer on it, and we're gonna go and get that painted eventually. No time soon, but eventually. And let me show you how beat up the original one was. Like I said once before, look at that. And the bumper just looks like crap, but this one, is this nice, man. I'm thinking about just getting a bug shield after I get it painted, getting a bug shield and put on it, a bra put on it, or a Brazilla, whatever you call it, Brazilla, whatever you call it. I'm thinking about just ordering a bra for it and making sure that, it won't get really damaged and beat up and ate up and chewed up like the whole thing, like the rest of the bumper. But like I said, the fitment on it is pretty good. No problem with it so far. Granted, we don't have any wheels on or anything, just threw it up there. And I tried to take this SH badge off, but that thing, it was a nightmare trying to get it off, and I just said forget it. And the headlights, I cleaned those up pretty good. But overall, installing the front bumper on the Camaro, it wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. I thought that you just pop a couple screws off and bada boom. It wasn't hard removing it or anything. It's just the way the screws are. The screws are like, I think you have 3 on each side, and it's like one screw is down here, then one up here, and then one like all the way up here. So you have to like snake your arm through, and it's just tedious and headachy and whatnot. But oh yeah, and this was nice. I just noticed this after the couple months I've had the car. I just noticed the fuse box. This is cool. I don't know who did this or where, but I just know it looks cool to me. But I am wanting to get rid of this and go with a different one, more of a closed lid one. This is a little high, so trim it down, put a lid on it, see what we do. But that's all I'm thinking. Eventually, I want to run this like where it snakes down and goes out like that. Just start here and then somehow come out around here, something like that. I don't know. We'll think of something. But yeah, like I said, taking the front bumper off, it's not hard. It's just tedious stuff. And I'm gonna get a front splitter. I'm so sorry. A front splitter. I'm gonna be ordering one soon to throw on, and I'll cover that install video. But it should go on pretty easy. But on this bumper, there used to be one on there, but when I bought it, it didn't have it. So this car used to be orange or whatever. Whoever had this car before, they treated it like crap, man. But we're trying piece by piece to get the parts up there fit. And look, all of those broke off, man. Jeez. All of those broke off. But hey, we got a new bumper up there. It looks clean. It looks a whole lot